if f of x is equals to 4x squared minus 3x plus 2, find f of 0, f of 3, f of minus 1, and f of 3 minus f of minus 1. Now, from the question here, this is a function notation. So, now from the functional notation, to find f of 0, you have to replace x by 0. That is from this equation here. So that will be f of 0 equals to 4 into 0 square minus 3 into 0 plus 2. Now 0 square is 0 times 4. We have 4 into 0. Minus 3 times 0, that is plus 0. Bring down your plus 2. Now 4 times 0, we have 0. Then 0 plus 2, we have 2. 0 plus 2, so we have 2. So our f of 0 is 2. Now to find f of 3, the same thing, replace x with 3 from this equation here. That is 4x squared minus 3x plus 2. So that will be 4 into 3 squared minus 3 into 3 plus 2. Now, 3 squared, we have 9. So that will be 4 into 9. Minus 3 times 3, we have minus 9. We now have plus 2. And 4 times 9, we have 36. Minus 9 plus 2, we have minus 7. So we subtract 36, minus 7 plus from 36, so we have 29. So our f of 3 is 29. Now let's find f of minus 1. The same thing, replace x with minus 1. That is from this equation. So that will be f of minus 1 equals to 4 into minus 1 square minus 3 into minus 1 plus 2. Now, minus 1 square, we have 1. That will be 4 into 1. Minus 3 times minus 1, we have plus 3. Then your plus 2 here. Now, 4 times 1, we have 4. 3 plus 2, we have 5 here. So you add this, we have 9. So f of minus 1 is 9. Finally, for f of 3 minus f of minus 1. So if you observe, for f of 3, we add 29, and our f of minus 1, we have 9. So what we need to do is to subtract this function from this other function. So that will be 29 minus 9. So we'll have 20. See you in the next video.